Our kitchen!
Did you know that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring?
Really?
Yes, that's right. And today we will show you just how easy it is. So stay tuned because we will be making healthy breakfast pancake skewers.
Yay!
Let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 1 packet of pancake mix, 2 large eggs, about 30 ml of oil, 500 ml of fresh milk, some strawberries sliced, some blueberries, some skewers, cooking spray, and a star-shaped cookie cutter. Let's get started with these yummy and healthy pancake skewers. Step 1. Pour the pancake mix into a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, oil, and milk. Now add the wet ingredients into the pancake mix and whisk until smooth and creamy. Did you know that healthy eating is important for your child's good health, growth, and development? Step 2. Heat a non-stick pan and spray with some cooking spray. Now add about a spoonful of the batter to the pan and fry until golden on both sides. Step 3. Now use the star-shaped cookie cutter to cut stars from the pancakes. Step 4. Time to assemble the skewers. Place some pancakes, strawberries, some more pancakes, and blueberries onto your skewers. And that's it. Simple, delicious, and healthy. These pancakes smell so yummy.
We love our pancake skewers! All done!
So, what's your favorite healthy snack?
Let us know in the comments below.
Well, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes with us. See you all next time. Goodbye.